easy, delicious dinner idea using fish fillet. Dinner will be on the table in no time. Want to see how I prepare this pouch fish? Just keep on watching now. For the starting ingredients, I'm going to slice onion, mince my garlic, my bell pepper, and some plum tomatoes in half. So just watch the process. To my returning supporters, appreciate you all. To my new supporters, thank you guys for coming on board. Please tap the subscribe button and join the family. Put your bell on so you won't miss another upload. To my channel members, big up yourself. Thanks for all the support. So see you at the end of the video, guys. Keep on watching. guys, if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Like the video, share the video, drop me a comment in the comment section below. And here you have it, dinner served. Corn was added to the mixture and I garnished with some fresh parsley. It was very delicious and I hope you guys will try it out soon. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.